How does the Hindu concept of balance, sattva, rajas, tamas, relate to emotional well-being? The Hindu concept of balance, encompassing the three gunas of sattva, rajas, and tamas, holds significant implications for emotional well-being. These gunas are fundamental qualities or energies that influence an individual's physical, mental, and emotional states. Understanding the interplay of these gunas can provide insights into achieving emotional balance and harmony. Sattva, representing purity, clarity, and harmony, is associated with positive emotions such as joy, contentment, and peace. When sattva predominates, the mind is calm and focused, allowing for clear thinking and emotional stability. Individuals experiencing a sattvic state often exhibit qualities of kindness, compassion, and a deep sense of connection with themselves and the world around them. Rajas, on the other hand, embodies activity, passion, and ambition. While Rajas can be a driving force for motivation and productivity, its excessive dominance can lead to restlessness, agitation, and emotional imbalances. Rajasic individuals may struggle with managing their emotions, becoming easily excitable or irritable. However, when Rajas is balanced, it brings forth creativity, enthusiasm, and a sense of purpose. Tamas, the third guna, is characterized by inertia, dullness, and ignorance. When tamas is dominant, the mind becomes clouded, leading to lethargy, apathy, and a lack of motivation. Emotionally, individuals experiencing a tamasic state may feel depressed, withdrawn, and disconnected. Excessive tamas can result in negative habits, addictions, and a lack of self-awareness. The key to emotional well-being lies in maintaining a harmonious balance among these three gunas. When sattva is dominant, the mind and emotions are in a state of equilibrium, allowing for clarity, peace, and contentment. Rajas provides the necessary energy and drive for action, while tamas ensures rest and rejuvenation. To achieve this balance, individuals can engage in practices that cultivate sattva and reduce the influence of rajas and tamas. These practices may include meditation, yoga, mindful breathing, and spending time in nature. Additionally, choosing a sattvic diet, consisting of fresh, wholesome foods, can contribute to emotional well-being. By understanding the Hindu concept of balance and incorporating practices that promote sattva, individuals can cultivate emotional harmony and resilience. This holistic approach to emotional well-being recognizes the interconnectedness of the mind, body, and spirit, offering a profound framework for navigating the complexities of human emotions.